Hi, today I'm Friday with Cat S53 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. So you'll see here information about your battery health, and in my case this is the good condition. So also we got here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.